everyone, as you can see, we've got our Echo Show 15 in front of us here. In a previous video, I went through and did the unboxing, as well as talked about one of the stands that I like using with it, and I'll leave links up here for those. But what I have here today is another Echo Show 15 stand, and I'm looking forward to taking a closer look at this. So one of the things that I like about this stand is the fact that I'll be able to use it not only for the Echo Show 15, but also for like my iPads and that sort of thing as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. That's everything that comes in there, so don't need this anymore. So we'll put this off to the side. So we got a thank you for our purchase here from Emma there. We've got the user manual here, basically telling us how to use it. It's also not that much to do there, but then we do have a screen protector accessory as well. So it's got wet wipes as well as a dust absorber as well. And then we've got the actual stand itself. And it has the ability to swivel, and then this is what's going to hold the Echo Show. So one of the things that I like about this is the fact that there aren't going to be any screws or anything affixing it to the stand, which you currently have to do with this guy, which there are positives and negatives to that. But the nice thing about it is you can wall mount it, take it down, and then just put it on one of these guys and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and take this off the stand that I currently have and then put it on this guy right here. All right, so now that we've got that off, let's go ahead and take the device here and I'll just put that right on like that, and there we go. And I do like the fact that it swivels, and you have the ability to change the angle on this as well. That's actually really nice. I like that it doesn't it's got a little resistance as well on the turntable. So that's nice. And then the other thing that's really nice about it too is you have the ability to just on the fly, just go ahead and stand it up as well. So that way you have the ability to, change the orientation as you see fit at the time. Look at that. That's super awesome. All right, so I'm looking forward to using this stand a little bit more. As you saw, it's very easy to use. I mean, there's really nothing to set up as opposed to the other stand that I have been using. I like the fact that it is versatile and the fact that you have the ability to switch things out as need be. I'll probably use this a lot with my iPad as well. I like that. And it's very sturdy, which is one of the things I was a little bit worried about, is that wasn't sure how that was going to work, but that actually works really well. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, Star Wars, basically anything that a professional geek might find interesting. So if any of that is of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.